extremely delighted. Let me give you a little introduction of myself. My name is Vandana Luthra and I run a wellness chain called VLCC. People often ask me, how did I manage to get into this industry? What inspired me? Well, all that I have to say is that I wanted to do something to transform lives of people. I wanted to do something where I could help skilled people. I wanted to do something where I could make people healthy. I wanted to give people a new meaning to their life. I wanted their dreams to turn into reality. So it finally came in form 3 decades back. It came in shape as VLCC. So what is VLCC and what it actually does? It actually helps you be healthy. So in today's world, I think it is very, very important for people to be focused on good health. We all talk about looking good. So in today's time, I think prevention is the best cure. We keep talking, we don't mind going to hospitals and spending huge amount of money and paying doctors. So why do we want to do that? Why can't we keep focused on our health? Why can't we just be focused and think about ourselves and think that health is our actual wealth? Well, I think weight loss, losing weight should not be an obsession. It should be a way of life. Being healthy should be a way of life. And therefore, it is very, very important. People normally don't like to, visit wellness centers. But it is very important because that is where you get the knowledge and that is where you understand how you can actually maintain your weight, how you can be healthy and eat the right kind of food. So therefore, I'm saying in today's time, it's a preventive healthcare, and the segment that we've created, wellness and preventive healthcare segment, it is very, very important to keep very focused on your health. And I think visiting centers like ours is very important rather than going to a hospital when you're actually sick or to a doctor's clinic. Because if you actually look after your health and you actually, because I feel if you say beauty is skin deep, then nutrition plays a very important role. Nutrition shows on your face, it shows on your body. What you eat reflects on you, right? So if you eat right, if you have the right kind of activity, if you are absolutely aware of what you have to do, and then I think nothing stops you from being healthy. People often say, how do women work together? So I prove everybody wrong. See, women can do a wonderful job together. Women can actually work together to transform people, to make people feel good, and to change lives of people. So, we've got all the talent together in the industry, for the industry, because we want to grow the industry, we want to grow the wellness industry. Being the pioneers in the industry, we thought that why should we not grow a business that will help people to sort of skill up, and especially women. This industry, the wellness industry, gives great opportunity to women to make them economically independent, to skill the young population of India, which is so large. I also work very closely with the Ministry of Skill Development and Empowerment, and also with CII, and also I'm a part of the steering committee of in the Prime Minister's office, so I work very closely. So what is all this for is primarily to help people skill, help women skill, help the younger lot of people skill, so that we can transform India.
Thank you so much, Ms. Luthra.